Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on Shiba Inu token. Few days back, I shared a video when I told you that the price line of Shiba Inu has broken out the resistance of the bearish pennant on the daily time frame. Right now, after this breakout, we have a short rally where the price line is moving down to retest the previous resistance as a support. And in today's video, we will analyze whether are we going to have a reversal from here or we are going to move more down to retest the previous resistance of the pennant as a support. But before moving to this analysis and moving to the charts, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to the daily time frame chart. And this is the live daily time frame. And here I've already shown you that the price line broke out the resistance of this bearish pennant on the daily time frame. And after this breakout, you can see here on 22nd of December, the price line broke out this resistance, and we had a short rally. And after this rally, the price line is moving down. And here, right now, the price line is testing a very, very strong and key support, and also very critical support as well, because if it will be broken down, then it can turn more bearish. But I'm not expecting that Shiba Inu will break down this key support, and that is at $0.000029. And previously, we can see that when we had this rally, $0.000029 worked as a very, very strong resistance. If I place this measurement tool from this first candlestick, when we had the first rejection to this last candlestick before this breakout, we can see for 16 days it was moving below this resistance, and it was having several rejections by this resistance of $0.000029. Now, after this breakout, you can see we had almost tested this support here. On 4th of December, the price line moved up again, and here we again tested this support before this breakout from the falling wedge on 20th of December. And after this retest, the price line also broke out the resistance of this bearish pennant and moved down again. Right now, even though we are not testing this previous resistance of the pennant as a support, because it is quite down, if the price line will move more down, it can test, for example, if the price line move more down to test this support, the previous resistance of the pennant as a support, then it can move more down to $0.00000245 approximately. But I'm not expecting that it will move as that much down, because we are having a very, very strong support here at $0.000029. And here we had a reversal, here we had a short reversal, and after this breakout from this resistance, we had a very, very nice rally. So unless this support is not broken down, we can expect a very, very powerful reversal from here. Our targets will be still remain the same. First target can be here at this resistance, approximately at $0.000485, and the final target can be approximately at $0.000085. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.